How's it going? What's up, guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Now today, as I promised from the last video, I'm going to be unboxing the TalonX gaming mouse. If you can see that, I'm going to be unboxing this today. I'm not going to show you how it works because it's a big setup to do. I've got to plug it in first. I've got to friggin' worry about if my parents are downstairs and shit. So I'm just going to unbox it today, and hopefully in the future I'll show you how everything works. So basically I didn't come prepared or anything, so I'm just gonna unbox it however I feel. So alright, before we get to the actual mouse that it came with, if I can get it out, it came with an eSports mouse pad. Now I'm not really actually going to be using this, I don't think, because I've already got a mouse pad. Yeah, I've already got a mouse pad, and I quite like using that. Yeah, and I quite like using that in compared to like a flat mouse pad. I've got the bouugut mouse pad because it rests your wrist and you've got more maneuver ability on it than this would do. Right, okay. We got some lovely paperwork. Some lovely the manual. Manual. Yeah, we basically got some paperwork here. We've got some lovely bubble wrap. But you don't want to know about any of this, do you? You want to know about the actual mouse. So this is a fully fledged gaming mouse. So this is what the people in eSports use. So the people that play sports and get like prize monies and stuff. So I'm gonna try not to break it whilst getting the this thing is huge. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff out of the way, and that would be on. I'm gonna face the camera down a little bit. If you can see this right here, that's the mouse here. It's not plugged in or anything, but that's pretty nice. It's got a nice smooth rubber base. It's the reason also why I got it was also because it has a red LED lights, not just red, but it's got orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink, which is all the colors that I need. But I'm basically going to be doing red because my system is basically red LED lights, and I'm probably going to most likely be using red. Unless I change my favorite color from red to green or something, but that's never gonna happen. This mouse, so far we've got I don't really know what all these. It's very clicky and very rusty and stuff. We got the trackpad here. I'd show you how it looks, but I can't currently plug it in, so. Well, it feels really nice to use so far, which is really, really cool. I have no idea what these oh yeah, this is like a page swapper, so that's what it's for. And then you got the mouse home keys, which is really, really cool. Shit. I'll pick that up afterwards. So yeah, this is what all the eSports guys use. Well, yeah, because it says on here, it says TT eSports by Thermaltake, which is, don't know what that means. If I read on the back of it, it says ergonomical design with on the fly DPI control. 10 million clicks life cycle. Really? They needed to put 10 million clicks? So what happens if I was to just do this? like this. So, I mean, I guess once it's plugged in, I don't know why they put that there, to be quite honest. Anyway, this is what it basically looks like. It look a lot better when it's connected to my actual system. I'm not going to be using the actual mouse pad, I don't think, because as you know, I've already got one that I quite like, and that I'm not going to be switching for this, because I'll get like carpal tunnel here, and that's like painful, really, really painful. That's pretty much it for the unboxing video. I did choose a wired mouse for a reason, because I don't trust wireless mouses that much anymore because of my old one that was old and cheap, so that every time I turn it on, I would have to plug the thing in and out again, and that would just be one of the most annoying things. This is going to be plugged into the back of my computer. This is pretty much it. This is pretty cool. So that pretty much does it for the video, and thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble about a gaming mouse. Oh yeah, and before I do that, I wanted to point. This was $50. It got reduced from $70 to $50. So this was absolutely cheap. I was prepared to pay $70 for it, but I got it for $50, which is really awesome. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and thank you for watching the last video as well. It was very difficult for me to do using a phone as well. The lighting in the movie theater, oh my god, was terrible, I know. But in future we'll be more prepared, and we won't, run late for the movie. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.